Assalamu alaikum and good evening, Mr. Prime Minister.
Alaikum salam.
And respectable ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bushra Mughal and I'm doing PhD Electrical Engineering from Lakehead University under supervision of Dr. Salama Ikki. I'm an international student and my home country is Pakistan. Mr. Prime Minister, I actually don't have any question today, but I need to say something. And I would like to thank you very much for your truly kind words, support and gesture of love and acceptance and respect towards all the Muslims around the world after New Zealand massacre. When I heard your speech, being a Muslim and resident of Canada, it was the most proud moment for me that Prime Minister of Canada, Mr. Justin Trudeau, has addressed Muslims. Undoubtedly, your words matter. They affect and they impact. Mr. Prime Minister, I thank you very much, and I must say in the end that because of the way you have addressed Muslim community in your speech, undoubtedly I feel more secure among all the countries in Canada right now. So thank you very much, and I think this is I'm feeling extremely thankful that I have got this chance of saying this to you, and I think I would have never said this otherwise. I would have never thanked you like this in this way. And my father, he is retired wing commander of Pakistan Air Force, and he has said me that I should deliver this message to you in behalf of him and our whole family and obviously whole Muslim community. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You know, we live in a world that is kind of scary sometimes.